Today we're going to talk about countersketch and how we can change these models and modify them to our specifications. In this particular model, we're going to look at the center stone, and by moving the slider we can make the size of the center stone larger, and also by looking at these individual boxes we can enter the height, the width, and the depth of our particular gemstone and give the exact measurements, so our bezel and ring will be designed to fit our stone specifically. With this slider we can adjust the height of the stone, raise it up a little bit, and with this guy we can change the orientation of the center stone, so now it's on this axis. And now we can look at the shank options, and by tweaking these little buttons we can raise the height of the shank, change the different profiles of the shank. From this view we can see how these modifications actually take effect. The thickness of the shank. Also we can examine just the bottom of the shank and adjust that thickness to our desired amount. We also can go in and manipulate the filigree treatment. Here we're just making it a single filigree rope, and by nudging it slightly we can adjust it exactly in the position that we desire. We also can lower and raise the filigree on the position on the shank, and change the radius of the pipe in the filigree. And we can also spin it around so we can get the different views of the changes that we just made. Here we're manipulating the bezel shank, the bezel shape, and the height of the bezel. Also the thickness of the bezel and the angle. So it can really take that simple bezel and make it quite customized for our particular tastes. Now we'll rotate the center gem back to its original position. Very good. Now we can manipulate the shank middle profile position. Again, this is just a minor modification, but all these modifications make the model especially suited to your tastes. Now we're going to go in and change the particular center stone color. Here we'll choose an emerald green and change the model to a white metal. And there you go.